Alright, what's up everybody? Today I got video my fighter jet Foamposites. These bitches is hard as fuck. I just got these bitches not too long ago. Bottoms, they somewhat yellow, whatever. I don't know. I don't even know if I can get them bitches like the icy again, but it really don't matter to me, at least. I don't really care. Just having the shoe, I just like the shoe. That Foamposite, not the plastic Foamposite, but not the carbon fiber for the Foamposite is looking right. Just look at that shit. That bitch hard. I hate when people do that shit. Like on the 11s and shit, they be like, oh. I don't really fuck with that shit. That shit is stupid. Like, you can tell if fucking carbon fiber is real without doing that, nigga. And I hate like they don't put enough time on that. Like for real. I'm sorry to be talking about 11s in a video about fighter jet Foamposites, but for the reviews for the retro 11s, the only thing we really worried about seeing is the carbon fiber, 23 on the back, and the jump man and shit. That's the only three things we worried about. On the third spacing, if the shoestrings is right, shit like that. That's all we really worried about. But yeah, these jumps is legit as fuck. These jumps is so right. Get the other shoe in there. Yeah. I'm rocking with this camera though. Haven't got a chance to use this camera. This is from my S6 and supposedly it shoots in 4K, but I don't know. I've never uploaded anything with this. Most of the time I use my iPad for stuff on YouTube, but figured I'd give my S6 a try. I don't know why I didn't do that in the first place, to be honest, but it's looking crispy. Just look at the detailing in that shit. It's just immaculate. The stitching, I get all up in the stitching. You know we gotta get in the stitching. It's not focusing right. But yeah, there was some letters in there. I don't think you can see them anymore. They didn't came off, but it was dope or whatever. It was the 1 cent logo for Penny Hardaway. This shit's crazy. People at my school, they have Foamposites and shit, and you can go up to them and ask them, whose shoes do you have on? And they'll be like, oh, I don't know. Like, nigga, how you got Penny Hardaway shoes and don't know that they're Penny Hardaway shoes? Like, that's some pretty hard shit not to know, especially when you have their shit. Like, what the fuck? But danger. I think the other side says no step. Yeah, that's what it says. These joints is dope though. Anyways, so yeah, that's my. I don't really want to say it was a review, but yeah, but just my nice fighter jet Foamposites. I wish I had a like editing thing. I can make it like do nice little angles and shit, but nah, for now that's all we got. Alright y'all, peace. That's my damn fighter jets for y'all, and that's a wrap. Alright, peace.